check this out. This is a 30 wide metal building, 40 long. This is our residential gutter system. It's a two-tone wainscoting. And then we got our nice color matching screws. Check out this nice high quality overhead door. This is our 612 pitch. That's the beauty of WolfSteel though. You know, we're doing the walkthrough. We see it and we make sure that we come and take care of you. Welcome backpack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings, and check this out. This is a 30 wide metal building, 40 long, but this got something unique, and that's a 612 pitch. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of a benefit of doing a higher pitch. I don't know if there's a negative to it that I can think of, but especially here in Texas. So that's where we are. We are located in Texas, based in Fort Worth. We service only Texas right now. Maybe we might do a little bit of Oklahoma, maybe, because it's not that far. But here in Texas, why would we want a 612 pitch? Well, I'm gonna talk about that. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share this video if you find value on it, okay? So let's get this video started. Let's go. So we did the driveway up here. So our client over there, if you can see, the driveway actually stopped right where she has, or they have their garage doors. Then from there, we extended this driveway up to the building. And check this out. So this is the 612 pitch. This is 30 wide. We got 12 pitch to the eaves, and then up to the top, we're looking at about 70 inches, about 67 feet at the top. So really rising pretty high to about 18, 17, 18, 12, 6, yeah, 18, 19, okay. Now we just did the gutters. This is our residential gutter system. So for our tubular buildings, we love doing the gutter system because tubulars are very common in residential properties. And so this gutter system is a similar system to what we do for homes. So if you look at their home, it's a very, very similar. So we use this residential gutter system and it looks spectacular, like matching with the metal building. Check it out. Now we do some preparation on the building to receive these gutter systems. For example, we do run, normally tubular buildings do not have a solid fascia to mount up to. And so that's what we prep it. We also do the overhang of the panel smaller, so the water actually falls into it. A lot of tubular general construction, if you're gonna do gutters afterwards, sometimes you're gonna have to just strap onto just the metal. I don't like that long term because it's kind of like stretching on your shirt for a long time with the weight, and that starts ripping in your panel. So for us, we strap onto a fascia and we prep the metal and get it the right size for it. Here's a two-tone wainscoting. By the way, another benefit of getting gutters is when you don't have gutters, all the water that's falling, especially if you got dark panels, you'll start seeing a lot of this splashing. So if you see here, we already actually have some splashing that happened before the gutters. So you can actually see that. With the gutters, then you control the water and all the water is gonna be falling here. From here, you can connect it to a drain system that you can do around your house to really redirect the water. But you can see right here, the panel has already got dirty. So that's one of the benefits of getting gutters. Now, if you didn't get wainscoting, you can always add brick later on. Beautiful of it is that it lasts longer, it resists a lot more than the panel. But when you have wainscoting, the beauty of wainscoting is you can always swap just the panel here. You don't have to swap the whole thing. So those are some of the benefits from the wainscoting perspective. two-tone. And then we got our nice color matching screws. This is our Z trim. We're about to spray foam this project on Monday, so stay tuned for that because we are going to be actually recording the action of that. One of the challenges with spray foam is any oozing that you can have, and so the preparation of the building is crucial so you don't have all that oozing, because spray foam expands, so when it does you can have a lot of oozing. And one of the biggest challenges is on your wainscoting because it's right in your eye. So this has already been prepped. I'm going to show you guys in the inside. Check out this nice high quality overhead door. It's actually really hot right now, so the sun is shining directly, and so it's extremely hot. I can't hold my hands there for about 2 or 3 seconds because it is extremely hot, and that's because the sun is shining directly in the morning. So we're facing right now over there, we're facing east. If you had a steel door, it would be hot here and it would be hot on the inside. When we go inside, I'm going to show you guys it's not hot because this is an insulated door. This is the flush panels. We do offer the rib panel as well, and we also offer the traditional ones that you see at homes. But this flush panel one is very modern, and I highly like it from an aesthetics perspective. And here we have our base trim, which redirects any water, any critters, fully seals the building there. So super solid. Come check this out over here. We got the steel door. This is a steel, skin made out of steel, and then the inside is insulated. Really good for security, and then it's actually flush to the concrete. So you can see here we left this a little bit raised, so it sits base sits on top of the concrete. Come on in. So this is our 612 pitch. Check this out. The reason why our client got the 612 pitch was really because their home, if you're watching some of our drone footage, their home has high pitches. They really wanted to match it. Now, what are some benefits of having it is what I like about 612 pitch. The roof is high. So therefore, when the heat hits here in Texas, you've got some of that space between, like me right here, and the roof. So it doesn't feel as hot when you have a smaller pitch. So, and it's also more cost effective to do a 612 pitch or a higher pitch than raising your legs. The more you raise your legs, the more the cost goes because we are reinforcing your columns. Now, if you're in the north, which like Michigan, all that area over there where you get a lot of snow, which I've lived there, so I really know about that. 612 pitches are great, especially with the vertical roof. You got all the water, all the debris just running to your sides, or the snow, really, the snow and ice. So that's the beauty of the 612 pitch. We got the vertical panels, so all the panels are running up and down, and then that, in order to really do that, we also have to do girts all the way around. And then especially if you're going to be running some electricity to run your conduits, this is a beauty. So here you can just bolt onto it. You can do it under here as well. So if you can see some of the yellow stuff, we've already pre-prepped the building for spray foam. That way you don't have any oozing going out. So this is extremely important for your building. This building is engineer certified to meet local winds. This area here is about 100 and, if I'm not mistaken, from 90 to 105. So we rate that, and here we got the anchors on every single leg, wedge anchors, to really lock this building out. Now, this is gonna be spray foam. You can see here, when we get this spray foam, this 29 gauge panel is gonna be super solid. Now, let's check out this beautiful overhead door. So this is an insulated overhead door. If you're gonna be insulating your building, make sure that you also get an insulated door. If it was a steel door, like this roll-up door that we have here, then there's a lot of transfer of energy from outside in here. This would have been extremely hot, and it's also extremely sealed out. So there is no air coming in here because it's very nice and well sealed. With roll-up doors, the challenge is that it's got the ridges and you can actually, let's kind of do an analysis here. So if you can see here, sorry, you gotta lock it from the outside. See all this? You can see right here that you got all this, there's air. I can feel the air coming in here. So you really can't control the temperature. We actually have a header seal on the gap, but you would actually also see it. Header seals, it's not standard when you're purchasing a metal building. With the roll-up doors, it's not standard. You gotta ask for it. So whether you buy from us or someone else, make sure that you ask for it. So we got the header seal here. If you can kind of show them a little bit under here. It's a plastic here that flaps. And by the way, let me show you guys the overhead door. Come on in. The overhead door, when it's closed, you can see over there that there's no air penetration. So let's look at the overhead door. It's very, very well sealed. You can see a little bit of lighting up there. So we need to double check that, but it seals a lot better than this roll-up door. And the overhead door does come in with the garage door openers and the remote control, as well as we already handed our client the 2 remote controls. So also the negative about an overhead door, by the way, before I let you guys go, once it rolls up to here. So it takes away overhead clearance. The beauty of a roll-up door is they can be installed almost anywhere. If you see here, it's just a coil, kind of like toilet paper. So it doesn't really take away from your overhead up here. That's the pros and cons. Depends what you're using the building for, is what I recommend, whether you're to get an overhead door or a roll-up door. Man, it's hot, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We got the spray foam coming in. It's not just spray foam, we're also gonna be painting it white. So that's been kind of the thing lately, and this building is gonna look spectacular. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so while we were recording, we noticed that there was lighting coming up top. There shouldn't be lighting. So we did a little investigation, and really what's missing is the weather strip. Let me show you guys. So right now we gotta open up a ticket to come back and put this weather strip. So this is the weather strip that seals the doors, okay? You can see that it's missing up top. So we gotta come back and put the weather strip on the top part. So that's the beauty of WolfSteel though. You know, we're doing the walkthrough, we see it, and we make sure that we come and take care of you. We're based in Fort Worth, so if you're in Texas, don't forget to reach out to us, because we'll definitely take care of you.